Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can win Brainrots Invasions on Plants versus Brainrots. So what you're going to want to focus on is your plants. You need to level up your plants. As you can see, my mango is at 1 million damage per second. You're going to want to target it to above 200,000 DPS if you can. Right now only have three of these lanes that are above 200, and it's very helpful if you do so. You are also going to use some potions if you have. The levels do get harder as you progress. So if you go to potions, you can use the damage and the speed potion. Don't use the right potion because it's just going to make you have a lot of brain rots on the lane. I don't know. You're also going to buy a lot of gears to help your plants as well, like the frost grenade and the banana gun, as well as the frost blower, carrot launcher. Honestly, the most helpful ones are the ones that stop the brain rots from progressing further, like the frost grenade and frost blower. And those are my tips really. It's also very helpful if you have like secret plants, because they do give you more damage per second sometimes. It depends on the size as well. I still don't know, like, it's just luck. It's pure luck on planting them and making the plants big. But yeah, that's my tips on how you can defeat brain rots in a brain rot invasion. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.